quickly and easily convert your standard classroom desks to an active workspace with Gopher's SmartStudy Tabletop Desk. Convert your classroom to an active workspace by placing this lightweight yet durable tabletop desk on the surface of most desks. Extending the desk height by 14 inches, this tabletop desk creates an active standing desk in seconds and improve on posture. Featuring a matte black powder-coated frame, the SmartStudy Tabletop Desk is built to last. Wood-patterned melamine top is durable and will hold up to routine use year after year. SmartStudy Tabletop Desk also features leveling feet that easily allow users to adjust the desk to create a wobble-free work environment. Create an active workspace in seconds by easily converting a standard desk to a standing desk with the SmartStudy Tabletop Desk, only from Gopher.